Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm showing you two types of rolls with same filling. It's so delicious. Please do try this at your home. One is vegetable spring roll and the other one is spicy chili roll. Here I'm using vegetables in filling. Also we can try with beef, chicken, mutton or egg, whatever you like. First let's make the filling. Here I'm using 500 grams of potato. Take the potato and wash it well. Take some water in a pan and add potatoes and some salt and boil it. Take 3 medium-sized onion, 25 grams of green chillies, 1 whole garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 carrot and 125 grams of spring onion. Cut the all vegetables like this. Peel off the potatoes and mash it well. In a pan, heat oil and add finely chopped onion and saute it for a couple of minutes or till the onions comes transparent. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Add finely chopped green chilies. Add some chopped curry leaves and some salt and saute well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. One teaspoon of crushed cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and saute well. Now add the vegetables and cook for a couple of minutes. Don't overcook the veggies. Finally, add mashed potatoes, mix it well and turn off the heat. You can add more vegetables as per your taste. Our tastiest filling is ready. Now let's make our spring roll. For this, I'm taking the spring roll sheet and our filling and start making the sticking glue. For that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, add some water and make a thick paste. For making rolls, take a roll sheet and pick a full of this filling and lay this right here. Fold it like this and start to roll it tightly. Apply the sticky glue on the sides and corner like this and roll it. Make sure the edges are completely sealed. Similarly, make rest of the rolls. Let's fry the spring rolls on medium heat until it turns golden color. That's our delicious crunchy spring rolls are ready to enjoy it with your loved one. The next one is spicy chili roll or pepper roll. Let's make it. It's different and simple party starter recipe. I have taken this big chilies. There are two types of chilies which need to be washed nicely. Like this using a knife. Then open it up like this. Remove all the seeds. Similarly, let's do it all the chilies. Stuff the chilies with a vegetable filling, or you can use cheese, paneer or keema, whatever you like. For coating batter, take half cup of all-purpose flour and add some salt and water. Mix it well. The batter needs to be nice and thick coating consistency. Take the chili, first coat flour mixture and then breadcrumbs. Do it 2 times like this. Heat the oil on medium heat. Place this carefully and fry them. Fry them till get a nice golden color. Delicious chili roll is ready to serving. Do try this at your home. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and support me. That's all for today. See you in another video. Until then, bye.